this is Jennifer here with the Library Connection, here to fill you in on happenings at the Dow Memorial Library.
Our 4th annual Adult Battle of the Books is fast approaching.
Is your team assembled and your strategy mapped out? If your answer is yes, get reading. If you're still convening your crew of competitors, don't fret. You still have time to hold tryouts and assemble your winning roster. Don't know what Adult Battle of the Books is? Teams of 3 to 5 people compete against each other by answering trivia questions about 5 intriguing novels and how they relate to each other. The competition is stiff, and the questions reflect the no-holds-barred style of past battles.
2018 Adult Battle of the Books list is Can't We Talk About Something More Pleasant by Roz Chast, The Curious Charms of Arthur Pepper by Phaedra Patrick, The Last Days of Night by Graham Moore, The Tiger's Wife by Taya Obrecht, Uprooted by Naomi Novik. Team registration is open now, but sign up as soon as you can because spots may fill in advance of the official close of registration on March 26th. The cost is $10 per person. On April 14th, we'll crown this year's ultimate readers.
For more information about Battle of the Books or anything to do with the library, head on over to the libraries section of the city's website, www.cityofmidlandmi.gov. And remember, read with intent and read to win.